Oh, what's up guys? So today we're going to be installing banners today for our cars. For the M3 and then for the IS350. So today we got it from fucking Prince. He just sent them today. And then they got delivered. And then our banners right here. I got one for Alan too, but this is going to be my banner.
My windshield's cracked.
Yeah, his windshield's cracked, so like, might get messed up.
It's all good.
But yeah, this is our, I guess, our car group name. It's called Aesthetics. Kind of cool, you know. But first we're gonna have to be cleaning the windshields right here with either Windex or alcohol. Anything that works to make it clean. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do first. We want to clean it with a microfiber, clean microfiber, and then some either like Windex or glass cleaner, anything that will work to make sure it's clean and no dust or debris gets on the sticker or on the windshield. See? Put in that work, right?
This is sir. I just cleaned my car yesterday. So.
Yeah, it's clean. Clean, bro. So right now Frank has like some glue on his windshield, which he's taking off, and he's gonna clean, which I don't know if this is gonna go well or not.
Trust me, is it gonna keep cracking you?
It might.
Should be good.
He's gonna, you know, scrape all that glue off. Fuck it. New windshield, right? New windshield, who gives a shit, bro? Fuck it, right?
Once it hits someone and it cracks, keep a sticker though.
You can get a new sticker, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of want the black oil one.
Black oil slick? That's cool.
Yeah, black oil stick.
I might get silver oil slick maybe. I don't know.
Oh, we'll get your house later.
Yeah, we'll see.
Check it out.
But I mean for now, I mean if you don't want to run that. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is for the banner, you want to make sure it's centered, right? You don't want to mess this up because this is the most important part. You want to make sure it looks good, centered, you know, from here.
Without this stuff, it'll be like, give it a little more space.
That's where the dark part is?
Or like a little bit like, do you want it like touching like right here?
Right here, so make it so you can see it.
Yeah, like touching, like touching.
Touching the dots?
Yeah.
You are?
Touching the dots.
Like that?
I think that would be good, yeah. See?
Hey, you
So then I think every car is different, so it should be shaped differently for each car. So for this Type R, it's gonna be different, or like for my car, it's gonna be different, so you don't know.
Down a little bit.
So right now we're gonna get masking tape and then
this corner
tape down the corners right here, see?
What?
And then we're gonna peel back the blue part and then fold it down and then use a credit card to put down the vinyl.
I mean,
So,
you
yeah.
can already see it.
Take it.
But do you want to
So
go
here,
lower?
tape it.
Nah, that's cool.
So taping it?
I don't like it too low. The corner.
What are you doing, Tony?
So we're gonna have to peel this blue part back right here, see? And then you're gonna fold it back, see? Right? You don't want to keep the banner straight, right? Fold this down. Fold the blue part down. Fold it down.
Yes, sir.
Oh wait.
Yep.
Oh wait. Wait, no, push this down. No, push this down.
Maybe make sure you line up the bottom with the black dot.
Yeah. You said blue, black dot.
Yeah, the black dot on the bottom. Yes, sir.
Let's put one side down first.
Yeah, put that on one side.
You make sure you get the letters.
Yeah. The letters is the most part.
Alright, Tony, explain them what you're doing.
And then we're gonna use like a credit card or something to push down the letters. Make sure it sticks, okay? And then after we're done with that, we're gonna peel back this clear coat, or not clear coat, but it's clear vinyl back, and then it should push down the banner.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we're gonna slowly pull it back, see? And push down, see?
Ooh.
See that technique, bro?
Hey, where'd you learn this from?
Don't worry about it. Your boy just knows, man. Don't worry about it.
My bad.
See? He's gonna pull back slowly, and we're gonna push the letters down. Right? See? Slowly.
Last year I was broke as fuck, I had to run it up. Next year you gon' see me in that brand new Bentley truck. All my brothers really stars, yeah, they gon' light it up. I keep proving people wrong and I can't get enough. When I wake up, take your bitch and skirt off in the audience. When I pull up, 10 bad bitches waiting in the...
Let's go. And we're gonna do all the letters, crevices, on the whole thing. And this is the best part, bro.
Are you sure it's good?
This is my favorite part, yeah.
You only need to do it one more time?
Bro. I'm gonna get all these out first. And boom, fresh. That's good.
Alright, do the honors, Tony.
Alright, Tony.
Oh, is that a credit card, yo?
No, that's my state ID. That looks good. Hey, what you doing, man? Oh. Hey, hold up, man.
Oh, you look good.
I know. The thing. You wanna slowly. You wanna push it off like at
Slowly,
an angle,
yep,
because
yep.
you pull up, the vinyl might come off. So you wanna make sure to pull it back
Take
and
your
then
time
push
with
it
this.
like this.
Good boy. I thought you were my red. I thought you were dog. Just keep peeling back.
Yeah, just keep peeling this shit back. Whoo! Dude, that looks crazy good, bro.
It's good? It's not peeling?
I mean,
Nah, it's not peeling.
I mean, in the sun, should any bubbles come out? Right
Pull
here,
back.
there's extra vinyl, bruh.
What do you mean?
You left vinyl on it, dude.
What vinyl?
Look,
It ripped off with the thing, bro. It's not my fault. Ripped off with it.
you have to take.
Ooh.
It ripped off with this thing. You're not supposed to stick on this.
Yeah.
Hey, just do the other way then.
Yeah,
Try
do
the other
this side, do this side.
way. Alright. Got a little difficulty.
Alright, we got a little difficulties right now. Fuck, dude. Just do it this
Just
side.
don't touch it.
Just touch this side. This side's better.
Hey, I think it's from an angle.
No, it just has to. It is an angle, see?
Just push down while you do
Yeah,
it.
you gotta push down.
Okay. It's okay, it's okay. It's still gonna look good.
It's still gonna look good, either, regardless.
We'll just put one of this car for fun.
He comes back with this.
Like, what the fuck?
That position though. Oh, it's good.
Ow, we lit. Tommy gonna bend my head or what?
Now he was doing that.
Ooh, we lit. It's good. You can't tell from a distance.
Wait, no, are you sure?
I'm gonna need a refund, dog.
Fuck, you didn't even pay for that. What the hell?
I was kidding.
That looks pretty clean, though.
It's cool. I'm not tripping.
It looks pretty damn good. I like it. I think Frank is cleaning down his windshield because it's too dirty for him. So yeah, it looks damn good. Yeah, I like it. Pretty easy install, not too hard. What the hell? Child right here, bro. But it's cool. We're done, so should be good.
You know I'm gon' blast off. In the Bentley truckin', I be going so fast.